Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here to do my second box from my Goodwill BlueBox order. I did the first box yesterday. If you haven't seen that video, please check it out. Without any further ado, I think we'll just get into this box. I'll just pull out a handful at a time to sort through. So here we go. First up, we have a pair of bangles. The jewels all seem to be intact. I don't see any visible markings on the inside. Let's put those to the side here. I've also got some My Style, looks like plastic bead jewelry. 1, 2, 3. They're still in the package. This might be good for a rummage sale, so I'm going to go ahead and stick those over here. Next up is a gold tone bangle. I don't see any markings in there either. And here we have a little beaded bracelet. I saw a similar one in my box yesterday. Just costume jewelry. 3 pearl bracelets. They don't have any visible wear and tear. They look pretty nice. And then we have this kind of unusual ring. Little mother of pearl or opal action going on there. Kind of cool. Just a bangle, kind of bent. I think I'll put that in my craft box. Earring. A clip earring. And then we have a little bag here. Let's take a look inside. If I can get it open. Yeah, let's just rip it open. Okay. So it's a chain with these little bead accents every 1.5 inches or so. Little kink there. I think that can be worked out. There's something written on the hang tag, so I'll take a look at that. Okay, it says Monet. So this is a Monet necklace. Very nice. I'll just put that on top of the bag since it's kind of not a bag anymore. And I'll get the next handful. Okay, so we'll start out with a turquoise tone bead. It looks like they're fake. Just a little piece of costumey type jewelry. The elastic is still strong and firm. Here we have bracelet. Couple more bangles. Giving them a quick turn. I don't see anything written inside. Let's try this bag. Oh, this is nice. This is like maybe a pink quartz or a rose quartz necklace. The stones are cool to the touch. They feel natural. Pink quartz is supposed to be good for love. Maybe I better keep this one. Oh, this is cool. Who are you? He says, Hialeah 1969. A little flamingo. Plastic, and he's a pin. Very cute. Very vintage. And then here we have maybe a peacock or some other bird with a lot of plumage, long tail. And that's also a pin. And here we have a little bit of a tangle. And this is magnetic clasp. Or maybe not, but it is magnetic because it did stick this necklace to it. It's a mixture of leather and beadwork, a little pendant. Here's a picture of the clasp. I don't see any maker on it. I'll just set it off to the side. And then here's the bracelet that was magnetically stuck to it. It looks like a piece of like maybe Claire's type jewelry. There's a little hang tag on here with a flower. And it says something on the opposing side, so I'll just read that. High intensity. Yeah, I think that's just one of those chain store brands. I'll put it in my rummage box. Okay, single earring. And this just looks like it came off of something. We have another group of 3 bracelets tied together, plastic beading. Stretch bracelets. Kind of cute. And then here we have a necklace with an extender, black beads separated by chain. And let's see, what does it say on the extender? Icing. That must be the brand name. And here is just a little butterfly bracelet. Yesterday I got a lot of butterfly jewelry, like 3 pendants in the lot, so maybe I can stick this in a butterfly lot and just make a whole lot full of butterfly jewelry. And then here is a seashell bracelet. I don't see a maker's tag or anything. My metal testing kit was supposed to come from Amazon today, but it did not show up, so I'll have to wait on this. Maybe I could try to test it with the magnet from that other clasp. Doesn't stick, so who knows? I'll give it a test tomorrow when it comes in. This is kind of neat. It's a charm bracelet. It's got like coin charms, some heart charms that are kind of neat. And I really like this one. It's got like vintage antique looking flowers on it. That's pretty cool. I don't think it'll fit me, but I just like even the sound it makes. It's kind of like a jingle. And here we have an angel pin. Set that over here with the other pins. Earring. Here we have a bracelet with silver and turquoise pieces. However, there are two missing stones, unfortunately. I don't think this is actual silver, so it'll probably go into craft. Here we have a heavy cross pendant. Feels like maybe brass. I'll put that with my religious stuff from yesterday. And then here we have a ring, kind of a milky colored stone. Little detailing around the outside. It's pretty. Let me see if it says anything on the inside. I'm not seeing anything. Wait, here we go. It says Emmons, E-M-M-O-N-S. Yeah, I like that. And then finally, just some earring backs. I'll throw that aside with the loose earrings because I think quite a few of them are missing backs, so that might come in handy. Okay, next handful. Whoa. Okay, first up we'll open the baggie. And that looks to be a beaded necklace with some long silver beads. Kind of bent. I'll stick it in craft. I thought this would be stretchy, but it doesn't really have much give to it. The beads are interesting though. I think I'll put that in craft also. Another piece, leather. I don't, or not leather, maybe it's just cloth. I always worry about that being dirty, and it does look a little soiled, but the beads on the end are still really pretty, so I'll throw that in craft too. Here's a necklace. Just got some beading and like little medallions hanging off of it. On the maker, it's like a big T. I don't see any other markings, but I'll clean it up and check it out. Here we have a strand of pearls that can go along with all those pearls I found yesterday. I'll just clasp that up so it doesn't get tangled. If I can even do the clasp with my short little fingernails. There we go. Needs a little cleaning, but it has like a nice heft to it. Okay, next up. It's kind of like a purple hued stone, maybe glass pendant with beads looped around. Pretty heavy. Nothing on the clasp. It's interesting though. A little short for me, but I think someone might like that. And here we have a little LOL head on a silver tone chain. Rummage sale. Okay, we have a big black and white necklace. And I think it hangs like this because the clasp is up here. I don't see any maker or anything written on the clasp, but it's like a fun piece of statement jewelry. Very nice. Reminds me of like a Chico's or Black House Black Market or White House Black Market. It's something like that line. Alright, here we have just a little flower, beads, cording. Nothing fancy here. I think I'll put that in either rummage or the craft bin. Got a bit of a tangle here. Okay, we have a lightweight beaded necklace. I can probably go to rummage. And then here we have a triple strand beaded necklace. Red, green, and black predominantly. It's kind of fun. I don't see a maker or any markings, but it's cute. And here we have some turquoise toned medallion type beads. Everything's kind of loose on here. Not quite evened up. I think I'll put that in craft. Okay. Here we have another tangle. Excuse me. Okay, this is like a flower pendant. All the pearls are there, the stones are there. Don't see a maker down there. Or up here. It's kind of pretty though. I think I'd put that in a necklace lot. Another tangle. Here we go. This is like just a little 2 hearts on a ball chain. Let's see if that says something. It looks like M8CO. Not sure what that means. I'll put it in the rummage pile. And then we have a simple silver box. Thin chain. Pretty tangled up with something else here. There we go. Doesn't say anything on the clasp. I'll just set that to the side. And then finally we have a little flower design chain. It's pretty. Okay, I guess I'll grab the next handful. I missed this right here. It's a little beaded ring craft. Now this is like a wood bracelet or seeds of some kind. I'm not quite sure. It's really interesting. I like the feel of it. You know, I actually really like this. I'm going to keep that for myself. Put that in the me pile. Single earring. Okay, here we have a flower with some little beads and rondelles on a short chain. Don't see a maker there or there, so we'll just call it cute. Alright, next up. I think it goes this way because I see a clasp up top. Then it hangs down with some loops of different sizes and a few different chains. And let me see if I can see what the hang tag says here. Nothing on that side. And on this it's just a capital N. I'll have to look that up. Looks like a nice statement style necklace. Here we just have a couple of shell necklaces. This first one doesn't have a clasp. Put it by rummage. Second one has more of a screw clasp. Looks in decent condition. I'll stick that over there too. Here we have a pin in the shape of a rose. Looks a little older. Here we have another brooch. It's got a large glass stone in the middle surrounded by smaller ones. They all look to be there. I don't know if I see a maker's name. Let me take a look. No, I don't see anything. I'll just set it with the rest of the brooches. Then here we have like a stretch ring. It reminds me of like a paparazzi ring or something. I'll put that with rummage. Then here we have a pretty necklace with some peach toned flowers, rhinestones in the center, also some gold toned flowers. And let me just check these ones that flipped. Yep, all the stones seem to be intact. Let's see if I can see who makes this one. Nope, I don't see a maker on that. Just a little bead hanging down. It's pretty though. Okay, next up we have this huge like kind of pendant. Hanging metal pieces. Kind of like African print. And it's got this clasp up here. I don't see any maker, but it's kind of a fun piece of fashion jewelry. Here we have a brooch. Looks like an insect. It's got wings, pearl body, and a little gem for the head. Very nice, and it's still on the packaging. Oops, we have another tangle. There we go. This looks like it actually may be multiple chains. Loose earring. Okay, so it's 2 chains tangled up with another. Okay, the top chain is a silver tone with a red heart. And the bottom chain that was caught on there is a gold tone chain with like a diamond, not diamond, but like probably rhinestone. See if I see any markings on it. I don't see any branding on the cross. And nothing on the clasp either. It's cute though, I'll put it off to the side. Okay, here we have a long chain with a bunch of like these little hammered gold medallions on it. And that just goes all the way around. And at the top there is a maker. Let me see who that is. And that is Daisy Fuentes. Nice piece of accent jewelry. Here we have a medallion. It just feels like maybe plastic on a rope. I'll put that in the craft bin. Then we have a beaded, kind of like tribal printed beads on a cord, but it's kind of loose. I think I'll put that in craft as well. And here we have a thicker chain, pearly beads, metal hoops. No maker on the clasp. Clip earring, loose bead, craft. Here we have like some delicate hoops. There's a clasp up here. It's made in Italy. And it says, let me get in closer. It says 925. 925 Italy, so maybe it's like, it looks more gold to me, but could be silver filled, who knows. Loose earring. Little pin with some scroll work and maybe enameled. It's pretty. We have a star necklace attached on a gold tone chain. And that's the Avon necklace. And then a couple of loose clip earrings. And it's time for the next handful. Okay, so first off we have a big chunky gold tone bracelet, hinge opening. See if I can see anything on the inside. I don't really see much of anything, but I'm sure if I shined it up it would be a cute piece. Wood bead bracelet with a few gold tones. Rummage, I think. This is pretty. It's like got stones inset. Just checking to see if they're all there. Yep, they all look to be there. It's a stretch bracelet. Clean that up. Maybe I'll stick it in with the bracelet lot. Here is just an earring. Here's a pair of paparazzi earrings. I'll just put those out at the rummage sale. Here we have a Luca and Danny bracelet. And then you can see that back here. It's got like a little insignia with a heart. Cute. And then this is interesting looking. I might keep this for myself. Just because it's San Lorenzo made in Italy Venetian glass, but I just kind of like the design of the cross and I like the colors. I'll see if I can restring that pendant on a chain instead of this cord. Okay, we have a pair of Sophia and Kate earrings. That'll probably go in the rummage as well. If I can ever have a rummage sale. We've got some pretty strict restrictions around our area and it's pretty cold this time of year anyway, even if you're in the garage, but maybe when summer comes, hopefully things will be better. Earring. Another earring. This is a ring with two stones inset into like a silver toned setting. Kind of a statement ring. I like it. Here we have another ring. It's like a doubled around. Maybe this way. A thick, chunky gold bracelet. See if it says anything on the clasp. I see nothing. It's kind of a cute piece anyway. Earring. Gold tone ring. A green little bauble inside. Stones are on the outside. It's an adjustable ring. I don't see anything on the inside. A big wooden loose earring. And this is like a silver toned ring with like an inlaid turquoise cross. Definitely needs some cleaning, but I'd like to check that out. We're getting towards the bottom now. Whoops. Okay. Earring. Loose bead. Earring. Now this is a really heavy silver toned bangle. Let me see if it says anything on the inside. Not seeing anything with the naked eye, but I'd like to metal test this just because of the feel and weight of it. Ring. Needs some cleaning, but I'd like to take a good look at it once I clean it. Broken necklace. Craft. Bangle. Little pearl circle pin. Single earring. Four-leaf clover hanging from a little beaded bracelet. I think that'll go in rummage. Single earring. Butterfly pin. Maybe I can put that in my butterfly lot. What are you? Oh, it's an owl. I was looking at it sideways. Little owl pin. Earring, earring. Oh wait, that's a pin. Clip earring. Another clip earring. Little pinky ring. Single earring. I'm going to go through all these earrings later and try to see if I can match any up. I am not seeing a whole lot of matches yet. Another little pinky ring. And here's another one. They're probably stackable set. Here's another one. Kind of a wraparound ring. That's rummage. Kind of a dark set stone. Don't really see anything on here. I'll clean it up, take a closer look later. Earring. Another loose earring. Here's the other wooden earring for the one pair, so I can pair those up. Another small ring. Oh, this is interesting. Here we have like a jeweled hair clip. I might keep that after I clean it really good, just because I kind of like the vibe of it. Little pin. Piece of something that's trash. We have like an angel that says Monday. Don't really see anything on the back. I'll put her with the rest of the pins. Here we have a ring. I kind of like that. Yeah, that's really pretty. I'm going to put that in my keep pile. We have like a double pointed ring here. A bead. We have another angel pin. Very nice. This, just from the string, it looks kind of like one of those paparazzi rings. Not really my style, but I'll put it in the rummage jewelry. And here we have like it's not authentic turquoise, it doesn't look like to me, just at first glance. But it's pretty. I would wear it. I'll put it in my keep pile. Alright, we're really hitting rock bottom here. So I'll just scoop out what's left, along with some mystery hairs. Yuck. Gonna have to give my hands a good scrub after this one. A lot of these are probably going to be single earrings, but we will leave no stone unturned. Okay, that's every piece. So first I'm going to gather up some of these loose beads. Garbage. Okay, there's just a collection of loose beads going into the craft bin. Earring, 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 piece of something, earring, hoop, earring and a backer, earring, so we'll take those loose earrings and stick them with the rest of them. This looks to be a little thin ring, very small. Let's see here. I don't have my ring sizer right on hand, but I'd say it's probably like a 4 or a 5. Here we have like a purple stone ring. Everything looks intact. Nice little costume jewelry ring. Clip-on earring. Hoop. Little star earring. Looks like it has a little face in it. Loose stone. Loose stone. Now here's a pendant that fell off of something, but it's kind of pretty. I might find a chain to hang that on. I'll hang on to that for now. Clip earring. Loose earring. That's kind of pretty. Hopefully I can find the other half to him. Clip earring. And this is what looks like a cross pin with something hanging from it. Clip earring, clip earring, And a bunch of little stud earrings. Oh, here is that other earring, I think. No, maybe that's a different one. I'll sort it all out later when I go through it. I'll just lay every earring out and try to match them out. And the ones that I can match up that look in good condition, I might sell in a lot because my ears are closed up. So I can't really wear pierced earrings. There's some more studs. Little snowman. A pin. It says Sugar Creek Local Schools. Earring back. Clip earring. Whoops. Here we have a little bird of some kind. He's a pin. Kind of cool. I'll show that to my mom. She might like it. She's big into brooches. Me, not so much, but I save them all for her. Earring. Clip earring. Another clip earring. Christmas theme, and I see the pair right here. Along with yet another mystery hair. I have to sweep when I'm done. Hoop earring, hoop earring. This looks like kind of a dream catcher themed ring. Looks like it's missing something here. I'll put it in craft. Pinky ring. Couple loose beads. Pearl earring. Pretty earring with stars. Aw, that's a sad little pendant. It's a heart and it says, "A piece of my heart is in heaven." We've got another pendant here, just a black stone. I'll set that over with the pink one from before. Craft. Looks like a fly earring. A little pin that says voice. A zipper pull, but it's made into an earring. A pendant with writing on it. Let's see. Looks like the Lord's Prayer. I'll stick that with the religious things. And this ring is also one of those Lord's Prayer rings. I'll put that too with the religious things. Then an earring. Another earring which looks like a little girl. Earring that's broken. Garbage. Earring back. And the rest of these are just a couple loose earrings and earring backs. So that is all for this time. I think I got some really neat things in here. I'll go back over it and clean it out really good. I've got some jewelry cleaner here and some jewelry cleaning rags, and I'll go back over these rings and bracelets and give them just a really good deep cleaning. And when my metal kit comes in tomorrow, I did set aside about 15 things I'd like to test. I did go back through the jewelry from yesterday, and one chain I kind of counted out. I looked back over it, and it was actually 14 karat gold, so I felt really lucky there. So I am going to comb over this with a fine-tooth comb later and clean it up super shiny good, and hopefully I'll find another treasure tonight. So thank you so much for hanging in there and watching this video with me. I know it was long. I appreciate you sticking around. I will probably see you again on Monday for a Misfits Market unboxing if I don't see you earlier than that. I have a recipe video I've been wanting to do, so I may throw that up too, so stay tuned. Otherwise, have a great night, and thanks again. If you can, please hit subscribe. I really would love to have some more subscribers. Thank you so much for watching.